Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here's a new kit I'm going to start. 1975 Datsun pickup truck. I remember my dad had one just like this, but it was gold color. I don't know if it was original paint, but I remember the old truck was gold. Had those little hooks on the edge of the bed so you could loop a rope around. Pretty neat truck. I've just taken the plastic off this. I have not even opened it. This is the kit. This is the version I plan on building, box stock, just like it came from the factory. This is a re-release by Round 2 by MPC. But yeah, this is I don't know, this kit probably was Probably was released originally in the early 80s, something like that. So I have not even taken the top off. So check out the contents really quick, and then I'll open them all up and just get the bags out. See what it's all about. Oh, this doesn't even have, yes it does. Well, it has has styrene tires for the stock version, I suppose. Directions and decals. Okay. Wow, teeny little guy, little body. Several sets of wheels. I don't guess I'll be using any of those. Body parts, interior parts, chassis parts, chrome. A few little chrome. I don't think the majority of these chrome pieces will not be used in the box stock. And the little 4-banger. Wow, you couldn't kill these trucks. I don't know how many miles my dad's had on it whenever we got rid of it. I was a little guy. I'm 43, and wow, that was a long time ago. All right, I'm gonna get these open. Maybe get some pre-assembly done to them. Get ready to shoot some primer and some paint, and I'll get back with you. So I've got all the parts out of the bags, and some of them cut off, the ones that are going to start being put together. Man, you talking about flash? Look at here. Look at here. This is the, well, rear axle. I know that will come off easy, but it's pretty, flash is pretty heavy on this. These are some old molds they're using. Take a look. Let's see. Right there, check it out. Nice. All these parts covered with flash. Oh, and one other thing, check this out. Okay, so styrene tires, cool, right? Yeah, really cool, especially if they gave me 4. Here are 2, 4, 6 halves. So 1 tire, 2 tires, 3 tires. That's all they gave me. There's not another styrene tire. Can you believe it? Not a darn other. Got the right amount of rubber tires. Unless I'm missing something. You guys see a tire? An extra? 2 halves? This is crazy. It's not in the chrome tree. Of course it's not. Those are inner wheels. That's all it. That's it. That is all the pieces. Can you believe it? Wow. Anyway, so I guess I won't be able to use those. I'll have to go with the intermediate little guy. Right there. Darn it. Oh well. That's just the way it is. I can't believe it. Unless I'm totally blind. And I have been known to just totally overlook something right in front of my face, but it's not here. I don't see it. Nope. And So look at this. All right, so there's 4. So it's like it's a hubcap slash rim half, and then they give you appears to be a spare. But no tires. No tires. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's check this out real quick. Back of the box. I forgot content. Back of the box. Look at that. So it's only showing. It's only showing 3. I don't know. I don't get this. That's a half. This is 1/2. That makes 1. 2 halves. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. 1/2 plus 1/2, 2. 1/2, 1/2, 3. I don't get it. They're even just showing that it's a. Oh well. All right. Well, let me get back to work. I'll get some parts glued together after I clean the flash off. That's going to take a while, but I'll get some parts together. It'll look good. It's going to be okay. Really. So here's an update on the build. I have got some paint on the chassis. Got the chassis assembled for the most part. Got it painted. Got the engine just flat black, and I'll do the detailing with a brush. Fire or your inner fender wells. Got the tub painted with the somewhat of the same as the body color. I have not done any detailing at all. Just wanted to show you the progress. Got the body color on it. This green reminds me of I think it was a 210 Datsun 210 that we had. It was a car, and when I was a young child, and I think had some miles on it when we got it then. I think this is pretty close to the color. You've probably seen an old Datsun 210, kind of a hatchback style little car. It's this dark green, and I thought, well, that looks like that would be a good Datsun color. So anyway, hey, I'm going to end this. I'm going to make part 1, part 2. This is going to end part 1. Just wanted to update you on the paint. Still have a few other parts to get assembled. This, there's not many parts to this kit. It's fairly minimal. Tons of flash. Takes a really long time to clean the parts up. The chassis parts were just nightmare to get the flash off, especially the small parts like the tie rods and things like that. The body, lots of flash, lots of little things to clean up. So it's still a cool kit because it's a Datsun, 75 Datsun. I mean, it's out of the ordinary. I don't know if Tamiya made a kit. I have to check into that, if they made a kit of a Datsun. But anyway, guys, so this is going to be part 1. I'm going to end it here. Part 2, going to come back. Going to have some assembly and the finished product. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. If you would, please give this a thumbs. Oh, there it is. A thumbs up. Can you even? Yeah, you can give thumbs down. Just a thumbs up, not a thumbs down, please. And share this video if you would. I don't have. If you sent me a video and said share it with your modeling friends, I couldn't, because I don't really have any modeling friends. But you guys out there probably have modeling friends. Maybe live in an area where you have model shows. You have all these things. Please share my videos so I can get a few more views. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in part 2.